to enable or disable faster recognition face unlock in Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Tap Lock Screen and Security. Tap Face Recognition. Enter your password, PIN, pattern, or fingerprint if required. Enable Face Unlock. Tap Face Unlock switch until blue to enable. Tap Faster Recognition switch until blue to enable or tap until gray to disable. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.